In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut and paste a selection in Photoshop. By the end, you'll know how to isolate part of an image, remove it cleanly, and place it exactly where you need, either in the same file or a different one. First, choose a selection tool that fits your subject. If the area is a neat rectangle or ellipse, the marquee tool is quick and precise. For irregular shapes or hand-drawn outlines, the lasso tool gives you full control. And if you're targeting a distinct object with clear edges, the quick selection tool can automatically snap to those boundaries. You can switch tools with the shortcuts M for marquee, L for lasso, and W for quick selection. Take a second to zoom in if needed and aim for accuracy. A careful selection saves time later. Now, draw around the area you want to cut. With the marquee, click and drag to frame the region. With the lasso, trace the outline as smoothly as possible, returning to your starting point to close the loop. With the quick selection tool, paint over the subject until it's fully highlighted. Keep an eye on the marching ants, they show what's included. If the selection is slightly inside the edge rather than outside, that's fine, it helps avoid halos when you paste. Once your selection looks right, cut it with Ctrl+X on Windows or CMD+X on a Mac. This removes the selected pixels from the active layer and places them on your clipboard. You'll see the cutout area become transparent if you're on a normal layer, or revert to the background color if you're on a background layer. If you're working on something important, consider doing this on a duplicate layer so you can easily revert if needed. To paste, press Ctrl+V on Windows or CMD+V on a Mac. In the same document, your cutout will appear as a new layer, ready to be positioned and transformed as needed. If you want it in a different file, click into that open document first, then paste there. This is a simple way to composite elements between images or build layouts from multiple sources. To recap, pick the right selection tool for the job, carefully outline the subject, cut with Ctrl or CMD+X, and paste with Ctrl or CMD+V into the desired document or layer. With a bit of practice, this becomes a fast, reliable way to isolate and move content exactly where you want it.